Hey guys, I'm Ralph with Tires Wheels Direct. Don't forget, subscribe right below our YouTube channel. We'll be showcasing this Weld wheel and many more that we sell on Tires Wheels Direct. So check this one out. This is the Weld Ventura. This is the S105. They come in a 20x8 offset 0, bolt pattern 501, 20.65, center bore 78.1. The back spacing on this wheel is 4.5, and then the finish is going to be gloss silver with machine face. Whenever you shop for the front, you'll shop S105 08063450, and that's the front. The corresponding rear, same thing. It's a 20x10.5 plus 13. Back spacing is 6 1/4. Center bore 78.1. Bolt pattern 501 20.65. Offset 13, and then same finish, gloss silver with machine face. Part number on the rear S105 0056365, and then I'm going to showcase front and rear. And then that way you guys can have an idea what the front lip size is and then what the rear is. You have an idea. So let's get this bad boy out of the box, showcase it for you, and see what this bad boy looks like. So here you have it. Your front 20x8 Ventura. Here you have it. Ventura's in silver, 5-spoke. You have your Weld logo on one of the spokes. Also, you get a sticker on there. This is Weld, genuine Weld, making sure like it's a legit wheel. And then you have the billet style center cap that says Weld Wheels on the center. TPMS sensor is compatible, but I think this one's old school, so you're probably just gonna put a regular valve stem. Conical seat lug nuts is what's needed on this wheel. And then the back side of this wheel, you're looking at 78. So if you do need hub rings, we do supply them for you. So great looking style wheel. So that's the front. I'll measure the lips at the end. That way you have an idea what the lip size is. And we'll showcase the rear. So here's your front, 20x8. I'm gonna open up the 20x10.5. And let's see what this bad boy looks like. Definitely, I would say it's probably a bigger lip, but for sure, you guys be the judge of that.